Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all. How are you today? I hope that all of you fine in all conditions. First of all, let thanks to Allah has given us some mercies and blessings, so we still healthy and we can following the Ramadan. Before it, let me introduce myself first. Then my name is Berliana Kusumawardani. You can call me Alia. I'm from the fourth semester of Government Science Study Program at the Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta University. Here, I would like to present my presentation by the title, The Important Role of Students as Agents of Change. As a submit of English task by Mr. Agung. And then the outline. The first is the explanation about opening of the important role of students as agents of change. The second is the explanation about two important things. Third, talk about speech discussion. Fourth, show the photos gallery. And then the fifth, take the conclusion. The opening. Okay. Being a student is a big position that can be obtained by everyone. Young intellectual group, or we call them students, are certainly highly viewed in terms of their position. Not only that, many people's hopes are given to students to improve their lives, such as fighting for people's rights and interests. Because students are considered educate people as the next generations of the nations that brings a change. Need to know other than learning and listening to lectures explanations in class. Students have an important role. That is an agent of change in people's lives. Of course, this requires students to be able to fight for change towards improvement. And then there are two important things. The first one is the role of students as agents of change in society. And then the second is the role of students as social control in government. And then speech discussion. Apart from that, students are also considered as a new hopes of people's trust to be able to bring their position to the government. Seeing these conditions, the student's task is nothing but social control, in which the role of the students is to be liaison between the community and the government. Then as a controller of regulations, a police and government's activities. It is the role as social control that demands students to be brave and critical. And then this is the photos gallery where the students are bring their aspirations to the government. See? And the next another galleries is where students began to in front of the DPR building to bring their aspirations, and then also to critical of the policies government. And then the conclusion. To conclude the speech, it needs to be understood and remembered that students are the next generations of the nations, where students have an important role, namely as an agents of change in boosting the times towards progress and as social control to monitor government movements. See the conditions where the voice of the people are not heard by the holders of power, so that students need to be transportations that can connect and bring their aspirations to the government. Because once again we know at the same time that the actions of all element students become a vibrations for governments who have taken a policy that if the policy is not pro people. Maybe I think that's all. Thanks for all your kind attentions. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.